How to draw a picture frame. We're going to start off by drawing a big rectangle in the middle of our page. Later on, you can draw a picture in the middle of this rectangle, or you could leave it blank. Now we're going to draw a smaller straight line above the rectangle that we just drew, but we're not going to make it go all the way to the corner because we're going to add in a detailed shape for the corner of our frame. Once we get to the corner of our frame, you could draw whatever shape you would like for detail. We're going to add 3 half circle-like shapes for our corner of our frame. Then we're going to draw a straight line going downwards for the right side of our frame, but we're going to stop before we get to the corner so that we can add that detailed corner shape again. Our picture frames are looking great. Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. After we draw the bottom right corner, we're going to draw another straight line going across for the bottom of our frame. Then we're going to draw the bottom left corner just like we drew the other 2 ones. We're almost done. We're going to draw one more straight line going up and down. This will be for the left side of our picture frame. Then we're going to draw the top left corner. Above our picture frame in the middle, we're going to draw a small circle right here. Then we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming down from it, one on the right side and one on the left side. This is how to draw a picture frame. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Now let's go decorate and color our picture frames. You can add details to the frame on the sides, or you could add a big picture in the middle.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.